Hey, welcome to a very special edition of Show and Tell. This is the Hack Club Show and Tell. I'm John Park, and we are really excited today to have a group of makers who come to us from all corners of the world, who have been participating in the Summer of Making with Hack Club. And if you're interested, you can go and Google that, look up Hack Club. But what they had was a series of hardware grants that were made available to makers to us, and said that they'd love to come on and show their projects. So we're going to meet some makers and see what they have created. Next, we're going to bring you on. Hello, Raynor. How's it going?
Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, I can hear you.
Wait a minute, I'm screening. I'm sharing my screen.
Sure. I see a screen share. Here it is.
Yeah.
Is it not wanting to show the demo?
Okay.
You might be able to just scroll through it if it won't allow presentation.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think it's fine now. So this summer I was making a satellite imaging and weather forecast tower. It's quite a project about the NOAA satellites. Many of you must be knowing about it. NOAA satellites, they are continuously emitting their data into radio frequency waves. And the project is about to receive their data and to make use of it for educational and other purposes. So, okay, yeah. Let me show you some of my making. Yeah, here's the schematics of my project. So here's the NOAA satellite. Here you can see antenna and SDR, my laptop, and its data would be stored in Raspberry Pi, local servers, and for websites. Let me share with you some of my progress. So this is, I'm still working on my antenna, and here are some of the photos of my project. You can have a look at my antenna. It's the SDR that I ordered from Adafruit, and here's the extended version of antenna. I tried basically more than 2-3 designs of antenna to have a better reception. That's all.
Very cool. So you're designing antennas to extend the range of the software-defined radio?
Yeah.
Very
to get a satellite.
Well, thank you, Raynor X. We appreciate it. Sorry we need to cut you short, but before we go, I'm going to bring on our own Lady Ada to say hi.
Hey, Hack Club members. It's me, Lady Ada. With me is Mr. Lady Ada Phil.
Hello.
I hope you all had a great summer with GitHub and making hardware and electronics and programming. Summer's a great time to do it. Well, mostly because we're all kind of stuck indoors anyways. Working on electronics and or coding and just being creative and fun and making something that can explore the world and sharing it with our friends. So thank you for coming by and sharing your projects. It was super cool. Don't forget to post your projects up on GitHub or post them on social media and share them.
Yeah.
One of the most important things.
Hack Club has a ton of places to put all the summer making projects, but don't let, just because the summer's over, keep publishing.
Yeah, post it up and publish. One of the things that I think a lot of makers and engineers do is they're like, well, it's not done and I don't feel like it's ready to share. But actually the best time to share things is at the beginning of a project, because it's full of hope. Here's my dreams, here's what I want to do. And then, as the project continues, you might have setbacks, but then that's when people can come in and give you advice. We have a great Discord. You can come by. I think Hack Club might also share projects and help each other. That's how engineering gets done. Engineers don't work alone. They work in teams. And part of that is each person has their own skill sets. And by sharing it, nobody gets stuck. They all learn from each other. It's like super powerful and awesome. It's like if you're playing a role-playing game, you want to have a fighter, you want to have a mage, you want to have a healer, and you want to have like number four, it's usually like a ninja or like some black belt type thing, right? Some hand-to-hand combat. So, you want to have a team that has all these different skills, and that's how you're going to win the game and defeat the dragon.
Yeah, and I wanted to say thanks to Sam and the entire team. I worked on some of the behind-the-scenes stuff with some of the Hack Club things. Great work, Sam, bringing all this together. And thanks for having Adafruit as part of it and as part of the hardware grant, getting as much hardware as we can out in the world. I think we all started this, and it was a different world. We'll all get through this onto the other side, and the versions of us and all the things we learn and all the people we meet virtually and in person matters quite a bit. So thank you, Sam, again for bringing everyone together. A lot of good connections were made.
Thanks everyone for showing your projects. Minds are blown. Really great stuff. Thank you.
Awesome.
All right, we're going to sign off this Hack Club show and tell, and then
we have another one in 4 minutes. That's how fast things are moving.
We never stop. All right.
You can come by the next one if you want to. I won't stop you. See you again.
Bye.
Thank you, JT, for hosting.
Hope you all had a great summer of hacking.